All right, I want to show you this clip here. Check out this clip. This is my truck. Okay. So I already have Rec 709 here. Pop that on. That's what it looks like instantly. And just look at the details. Look at the details on the mountains there. The sunlight peeking through here. It's just, even the blues of the sky, you can still capture so much information with that. All right, so that's Rec 709 color. Okay, now creative. Use that LUT I was talking about. We'll go 25 on this one. Maybe even 15. Let's see. Okay, that's a good starting point right there. And now, minor adjustments. However you want. You want it nice and punched? Boom. Like this. Like that, to me, that's a great clip right there. That's it. That's honestly, you can leave it like that. You can leave this clip like this, and that looks amazing. Look at the raw version. So disable our LUT and our color adjustments. Boom. And then Rec 709. Crazy. Got a few more clips here to share with you guys. Here's my dog. Capo. There's me. Walking. Looking at the mountains. We have Anna and Capo there. And I'm going to show you how to transform these into something really beautiful. Like, just beautiful. Watch. So, same old story. You take your adjustment layer. Slap it on here. Right? Okay. Now, Rec 709. Bang. Boom. Just like that. Look at the colors. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at the colors on this. Here's before. Here's after. Rec 709. Right? Oh, come on, guys. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. There's me and the dog. Beautiful again. All right. Now we're going to add some punch into it. Right? So, here we go. Creative. We're going to use that LUT I keep telling you about, the Christmas one. Okay? We're going to go 25. We'll go 15, actually. Give us more space to work with. So then we can actually do some adjustments. Okay? Contrast down. See, you can, it depends on your style, but this is just, these are just quick and simple. So I'll go like this, highlights up, shadows, pull those down a bit. Leave whites, leave blacks. We'll go into here. Bang, bang, bang. 1, 2, 3. Make a simple little S-curve. You know, something like that looks good. Now you have this beautiful clip. That is, it's so nice, man. It's so nice. Okay. Now what we'll do is copy and paste that lumetri. Boom. Put that onto the video. The dog. We already saw me. We go here and watch this. Boom. Simple. So simple. Okay, remember this clip? Watch this. Boom. Beautiful again. Like the skin tones look amazing. The colors look amazing. Such a simple way to color grade and to get beautiful images. Now, here's another trick. Okay. So, if you want to make it more, I don't know, like a trick to like make it more captivating. So here, this is what you can do. Basically, you take your vignette, okay, and you just go like this. You adjust it however you want, but now that looks cool. It kind of like, when you look at it, it's like, you know, like you think about it. If you didn't see this images, you're looking at it thinking, oh, what kind of story is he trying to tell? Nice voiceover, nice music behind it. You know, makes it look good. Makes it look really good. It's kind of like a peek. It's kind of like you're looking into the picture of the image. Vignette, you know, just a simple way to add some value or character. You know, like look at this. That looks cool, man. That looks so cool. And yet again, you know, so cool, man. It kind of looks like a glimpse. It's like a glimpse into the video. You want to add some more character to it. You know, you want to make it old and vintagey. You know, you can add some grain in there too. Kind of has an older type look, feel to it. It's hard to notice, but it's there. Now, you want to take a step further. Let me just drag and drop something in here quickly. All right, so I added a couple more things in here. Sorry, I added a couple more assets into the assembly folder, but I want to show you how simple we can make this. So like it will tell a quick story. In fact, let me just extend this quickly because I know there's a clip of me driving. It's there. We'll take that. So take this. We'll even take that clip of the truck. Help with the story. So watch this, guys. Hope we're recording and hope everything's going good because this is going to be a really nice little lesson or story to show you guys. Okay, watch. So look at the truck, right? We got me driving, right? And let's even pull the lumetri from this because we forgot to copy and paste these. Let's see what it looks like on this. All right, so it's stylized, right? So right now you have this. We're going to add some style and character to it. We're going to try and make it more filmy and aesthetic, right? Copy paste that grain. Boom. Okay, so I got a sound effect here. Watch this. We'll drag and drop this. Okay. That's actually pretty loud, so we'll drop that down a bit. I'm going to take this song, some song I ripped off the internet, license your songs. But I want to show you the power that the power of these assets create. Okay. Yes, that's money. That is money, and you know it, and you're watching, and you're like, whoa, that is cool. That is really cool, guys. Okay, so we'll even add some of this on top of here. We can make it more stylized by doing this. Show you guys. I have to extend this too. There's probably other ways to do this, but this is lazy. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste all this. Now, what you do is you have this film burn kind of effect, right? Take that. Oh, you can't even see this value. Shoot. This was on the other monitor. Sorry, guys. Right now, we're on that overlay, okay? Overlay, we're going to move that to screen. So now it's on the screen. And you could even do like 85. 85 should be fine. So 85. And then we'll copy and paste this, that effect, or that opacity onto all this. And then we can cut it right there. Let's try that. So there you have it. Pretty cool, pretty effective. I chefed this up in like 5 minutes. I hope you got some inspiration from that. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I actually really like how this turned out. I could use that for social media. Like that is pretty gangster. But some simple conversion. Rec 709, simple color grade, simple audio track, and some simple assets. And it makes it look so nice. You can take it, even further, but I'm just showing you a quick way on how to create